Thank you, Johnny. Captain Roger Penske celebrating a victory lane at Daytona for the second consecutive year. Last year, you gave it a pretty long wait winning this event. This year, you make it back-to-back. How special is this?
Well, you see the work that we've done with this portion program over the last couple of years. You see the championship last year winning here was just the start of it. So it's a credit to all our people, the relationship that we have with Porsche, the team operation, one organization.
And you let your two cars fight it out for the win in the final lap.
Oh yeah, it was something there at the end. I tell you, I didn't like that, but that's,
That's the captain, Roger Penske.
He said we've just got to let them do that, play it on, and why not? Because it's worked for them. Not quite perfectly, first and third for the Penske 963s. Dennis also fresh from the Ford Mustang and GTD Pro now with Joe.
Thought it was interesting, Dennis's co-drivers saved